and today we are going to change the MAC address of our system. So let's do it. Come to the terminal. Okay, here we are. Come to the new terminal. So first of all, give the superuser permission sudo su. Okay, put the password. Then check your current. Okay, check your current MAC address as config. Okay, as I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, here is my MAC address 983B 8FFC78 and 42. Okay, so as we are a root user, we can do anything without any permission as required. So let's go fconfig. Let's make it down. Double in zero down. First of all, we have to make it down, and now we can change it. So fconfig double in zero hw ether ether. Let's suppose we are giving the MAC address 00112222 as I've written already. Okay, let's go with this one. I think it is changed now. So let's change the state of this. Okay, let's config double in zero up. Okay, so now I guess yeah, Wi-Fi is on now. Okay, so let's check now if config w if config we can check the double in zero as well. Directly we can see here either the MAC address has been changed. We can see this change until we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's see. We we get disconnected to the Wi-Fi. Let's disconnect again. Wi-Fi disconnected. Connected back. Okay, connected back or not? Let's connected back now. So let's see if config W0. It is changed now again. Okay, so let's change it back as W ether. First we need to make it down as W ether this and again up. Okay, check the MAC again. It is set to this again. Now until we are disconnected to this, we'll reflect the same MAC address. Same, same. Okay. Instead of remembering these commands, you can use one of my tools. Let me show you. Just go to the web browser, search my name, come to this link. This is the main profile, and here come to my repositories. And repositories, you must be able to see some Mac changer. Do come here. Here I have told the uses of this. Git clone. First of all, you need to clone it. Means download it. Mac changer means you are changing to the current directory. Mac changer. So by user permission, and with the Python you are using this. You don't need it, I think, because as a new user, you don't need this kind of things. Here I've given the screenshots of this. I've given the option of Ethernet and Wi-Fi both. You can just go with one click, type one or two, and it will do it automatically. This is the automation tool I've made. There's nothing much in this tool, but for the beginners, it is kind of automation. So you can use it as well, and that's clear it. So that's it, guys. Here's the screen desktop. So